Yeah.
See, Mom, look.
Hmm.
Oh, Christopher, the paper.
Look at the.
Mom, look at this phone. You see it?
Oh, I see the moon.
The moon's going into it now a little
Mhm.
bit.
Di kita kasi.
You see it, though?
Pwede ba sa telepono? Tignan.
Yeah, look.
Ay, masyadong maano dito dapat dito sa ganito.
Well, look, the phone can do it. The moon's already in there. Like, you can see the moon a little bit.
Anak, alis ka dyan. Hindi ko makikita. Ito. Ayun.
See it? Look.
That's literally all it. So. Yeah. Where's the moon at? Oh, I see it. Right there. Hopefully we don't see the devil's comet.
Hmm.
I will literally smack it. So as you can see, the
Can you
solar
see it?
eclipse is happening right there.
Hmm.
You see that white part? That's where the solar eclipse is happening at. But you may not see it, so
You're using the basin and the water
yes.
to look at it so it won't damage our eyes. Don't look at the sun. Don't look at the sun, Christopher. Teka, gumagalaw yung tubig eh. Don't touch the water is moving. This is how we watch the eclipse to protect our eyes. Ayan na. It's okay, Christopher. You wear it. It's better you wear it, Christopher. Alisin mo. Take it out. Started entering, shading the moon, the sun. The moon started shading the sun.
Paper.
Put a weight.